we got a new door installed, so now we got to put the door handle on gate and house. It was around $50, easy to install with a Phillips screwdriver. Well, we'll see. We'll see if it's that easy. You, get out. You don't need to be here. Now we had the this plugged in for the night. Keep the hot air in, and pull that out. Keep it held in with the screw. See if I can reach it with this little knob. Okay, now our door free to move. Okay. Way free! And it's very windy. So, let's take this, open it up, see what we got. Okay. Now I got some tape. Tape. Take them off. Handles. Hold it. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Section. This here will be going up to the garage door. This section here. Let me seal it out. And this section is for this door. So, let's see what we got. Instructions. Break from having to drill the holes and everything yourself. Pretty standard face plates. Comes with your circles. Part is probably getting them out of the cardboard. Here's our pieces. Look at how they're mounted in here. Some of them mounted with screws, some of them mounted. Oh, come on. Come on. Actually, need to put that on there. Here we go. Get this butterfly off. Butterfly. piece of it off. Here we go. Funky little plastic pieces out. Wind is really whistling today. Wish I had my windmill. Be my next project for the windmill. Okay, so we'll put that. We might as well take the deadbolt off at the same time. There we go. And there's that piece of hardware. Cardboard. So what do we got in this box? In this box we have more assorted hardware. Ooh. Brand new keys. Nice. So they come with lots of keys. Look at that. 4 keys. Now you can get my biting on that and you'll be able to get in my house. Beautiful. Then my cameras will pick you up. Okay. So and lots of choices here for hardware as well. So baggie. And this one we also have screws. Which one's which? We'll keep that one together here. That one might be for the other set, I would think, because this is the other half of this here. So we move this back one.